Saranga birds. Khandava Prasth, given to the Pandavas, was a forest they had to burn down to make the city of Indraprasth. In the forest lived a Saranga bird with its 4 fledglings. The male bird was actually a sage called Mandapal, who had been told that only those children went to heaven. So he married Jarita, the female. Once the eggs were laid, the male bird went off with another female Lapita. When the fire began, the 4 fledglings panicked. Their mother told them not to worry. She put them into the hollow of the tree and sealed its mouth with mud. She herself flew to safety. The fledglings prayed to the fire god not to harm them. The fire god kept them safe from his flames. Meanwhile, the male wished to see his children and returned after the fire. He found Jarita was back with the unharmed fledglings. He was not needed anymore. How Arjuna got Gandiva. Long ago, King Svetaki liked to conduct long sacrifices that left the priests sick and tired. So when he wanted to conduct a 100-year sacrifice, they all refused and sent him to Rudra. Rudra told him to offer ghee in a sacrificial fire himself, non-stop for 12 years. He did that, pleased Rudra, and finally, after the great sacrifice, went to heaven. Meanwhile, Agni, the fire god, was ill because of too much ghee. He was looking for something to burn to restore his strength. When he could not burn Khandava forest, Brahma told him to seek the help of Krishna and Arjuna, who were praying on the banks of the Yamuna river. In return for their help in burning Khandava forest, he got Varuna to give the chakra and the mace Kaumodaki to Krishna and the bow Gandiva with a never-ending quiver of arrows and a chariot drawn by white horses to Arjuna. Arjuna and Mayasura. When the Pandavas went to Khandava, they had to burn the forest to build the city of Indraprastha there. In the fire, the wife of Takshaka, the serpent, was burnt to death. Takshaka and his son Asvasena escaped. Indra was Takshaka's friend and was very angry. He came to battle, but a voice from heaven told him that Takshaka was safely outside the forest. So he made peace with Krishna and Arjuna. Among the demons that came out of the forest was Mayasura. Krishna was sure to kill him, so he sought shelter with Arjuna. Once the fire was over, Mayasura thanked Arjuna and prepared a beautiful assembly hall for the court of Yudhishthira at Indraprastha. For Bhima, he gave a heavy mace, and to Arjuna he presented Devadatta, a conch that was to create such terror in the hearts of warriors at Kurukshetra. Sunda and Upasunda. Narada came to meet the Pandavas. He told them the story of Sunda and Upasunda to explain that they must not fight over Draupadi, but respect one another's relationship with her. Sunda and Upasunda were the powerful and evil Asuras. To get a boon of unconquerable power, they went to the Vindhyas to perform penance. When Brahma appeared, they asked for strength, knowledge of all weapons, ability to create illusions and take any form, and for immortality. Brahma wouldn't give them immortality, so he told them to ask for something else. They said they should only be killed by each other. Brahma granted them the boon. Now the unconquerable brothers defeated the Devas and terrorized and killed all beings. Vishwakarma, the architect and engineer of the gods, made a beautiful maiden, Tilottama, glowing with gems. She tempted the brothers who fought over her and killed each other.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.